Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting episode of Stock Picks. I am Siddharth Vijayaraj and today we are diving into a company that's a key player in the 5G infrastructure revolution for telecom operators. This company specializes in telecommunication products such as cables, panels, diesel generators, earth strips, batteries, electric power cables and fiber cables. In an industry as dynamic as telecom, their stock price could soar by 21% over the next 2 to 3 quarters. Can you guess which company we are talking about? Well, watch this video until the end to find out. Let's begin by looking at the strength of this telecommunication titan. In Q4 FY24, the company reported a remarkable growth of 18.6% year-on-year in revenue from operations, an 18% year-on-year rise in EBITDA, and a 24.3% year-on-year increase in PAT. Clearly, this company is not just surviving but thriving and firing on all cylinders. Their robust performance is evident in their solid margins too, with an EBITDA margin at 62.8% and a PAT margin of 34.6%. This stellar growth is driven by the ongoing upgrades and improvements in India's telecom sector, particularly with the expansion of the 5G network. Nearly all their revenue comes from 3 private telecom operators, that is Airtel, Jio and Vodafone Idea. The future looks bright with clear revenue visibility thanks to the focus on 5G towers and fiberization by private telecom players. Currently, the company boasts 3,818 small cell towers and aims to add another 3,000 to 5,000 in the coming years. Consequently, their sales, EBITDA and PAT are expected to grow at a CAGR of 22.6%, 23.3% and 21.2% respectively over FY24 to 26. However, every silver lining has its cloud. The company faces concentration risk, geographical risk, liquidity risk and stiff competition. Their heavy reliance on Vodafone Idea is a notable concern, but there is a wildcard entry, the revival of BSNL. The company anticipates BSNL to ramp up infrastructure development following recent budget announcements. Another challenge is geographical risk, with 50% and 60% of the revenue coming from Mumbai and Maharashtra respectively. To counter this, they are actively expanding into North Indian territories. So did you guess which telecom infrastructure company we are talking about? Yes, it's none other than Suyog Telematics Limited. Experts believe the fair value of the stock is Rs 1,526 in a base case scenario and Rs 1,657 in a bull case scenario over next 2 to 3 quarters. Consider buying in the Rs 1368 to 1396 range and adding more on dips in the Rs 1231 to 1255 range. In conclusion, Suyog Telematics Limited is well positioned for growth with its strong focus on 5G infrastructure development. But always remember to do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching Stock Picks. This is Siddharth Vijayaraj. See you in the next episode.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.